Traveling on a budget in 2024 is all about mindset and strategy. Start by prioritizing your expenses. Accommodations can eat up your budget, so look for discounted options on sites like Hostelworld or Airbnb. Embrace local transport. It's often cheaper and gives you a taste of everyday life. Flexibility is key. Be ready to adjust your plans for last-minute deals. Traveling off-peak can save you a ton, and comparison websites help you find the best rates. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the experiences you create. So pack light, stay open-minded, and enjoy affordable adventures.
Traveling on a budget is all about smart choices. Opt for hostels to meet fellow adventurers, or try couch surfing for a free local experience. When it comes to meals, hit up local markets for fresh ingredients or savor street food for authentic flavors without the hefty price tag. Timing is everything. Travel during off-peak seasons to snag better deals on flights and accommodations. Use travel credit cards to rack up points for free trips, and don't forget to explore hidden gems that offer unique experiences without breaking the bank. With a little creativity, you can enjoy amazing adventures without overspending.